Good morning students. I am Sanjay Kumar Nayak, your English teacher. Today I am going to tell you and describe you the format of notice writing, which is highly essential for your examination. So before going to describe you about the notice writing format, let us discuss what the format talks about. The first point is the name of the school or the institution or the organization which we are discussing about. And who are they? They are the issuing authority. Whoever is issuing the things, they are called the issuing authority. So here we have to write the name of the school. Our school name is Maa Saraswati Vidya Mandir. So we have to write here in capital letters. Then comes place. What is place? The Sivanand Nagar is our school's place. Okay, you can write here Sivanand Nagar also. You can write the city name also, that is Barhampur. Okay, right. Coming to the next point, notice. This is the word. This is the word. You have to write notice in capital letter. Then the third point is coming date of issue. The third point is coming the date of issue. This is the date we have to mention on which day you are sending or issuing the notice. It is your issue date. Okay. Then you have to write the heading. What is your event? What is the purpose of the notice? That you have to write here. The heading may be the drawing competition, the debate competition, or the you can say cultural function, or maybe you can talk about any of the problem like inter-school tournament or running competition, whatever may be. That is the heading you have to write in the capital letter. Then the fourth point comes your content. This is your content. This is the fourth point. The fourth point, you have to know for whom the notice is. For whom the notice is. What it is. What it is means what is the purpose. Then you have to write the date. Then you have to write the time. Then you have to write the venue. Venue means which place, where it is happening, where you are going to conduct the event. Okay. Then the third point is any other important details. Whatever the details are there, you have to write in that. So everything should be in very precise and you have to write in a very shortcut format. Remember, my dear students, you cannot use I and you, because in this notice writing we cannot use I and you. So you understood what the content talks about. This contents is of the body of the notice. This contents is the body of the notice, which is talking about the purpose, the target group, and the event, then the date, time, and venue details. Whatever you are going to organize, wherever you are going to organize, the place you are telling, that is venue details. At last but not the least, we are talking about the name and designation. Name means whoever the issuing authority of this notice, he will write his name, his designation as a head boy, as a captain, as a principal, or the pradhanacharya, or the director, or the chairman. Whoever is the issuing notice authority will write his name and designation. So let us discuss about one topic, which is we are going to discuss about the heading. What the heading should be. For example, I am going to tell you something about the debate competition. So you can start the debate here. So you understand what that is. From here to here, I am now telling you. Whatever I have underlined in black, now I am going to describe you. Here you can say the debate competition will be held on amok date. Or you can say the school is organizing a debate competition on amok. Okay. Or you can say a debate competition will held on amok, whichever the date is. So what you are going to tell here is all the students, you can say like this also, all the students are hereby instructed or directed or being said of students of class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whoever may be, those who are participating in the debate competition, we are going to tell you that the competition will held on, you have to mention the date. You have already said about the event. Now you have to tell the date. Then you have to tell what time you are going to organize it. You have to write the date at 10 a.m. sharp 10 a.m. or whatever. Then venue details. Where you are going to organize, you have to say everything to the students in that line, that the drawing competition will be organized as community hall, prayer hall, auditorium, or wherever it may be. So I hope you have understood what notice writing format is. So this is a very short video for you. I hope you will like it and you will subscribe it for the next video. Thank you very much.